Need your home looking all flashy and beautifully decorated? Then you've come to the right place. Hello guys and welcome to No Bracket. When it comes to decorating your home, you may find yourself wondering, what else can I use? You've displayed all of your photos and have more candles than your local boutique. But what additional home decor or goods can you use to adorn your house to make it seem like a home? After such a large investment, it might be tempting to cut corners when acquiring home decor to furnish the space, especially when numerous rooms are involved and routine upgrades are required to keep up with trends and lifestyle changes. It's a difficulty that many people have faced, which is why we've compiled a list of 10 interior decor products for your home in this video. We refer back to this video for inspiration on what else we can use in the area whenever we have an arrangement that's lacking in the room that is looking a little bare. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get updates on more videos like this from us. So without further delay, let's take a look at the 10 interior decor products for your home. Number 10. Art. Artwork is frequently the center point of a room and reflection of the homeowner, making it the important purchase. Furthermore, some items will be kept or possibly even collect value over time. It aesthetically draws your eye across the area and adds your personality to the environment, says an interior designer and HGTV's Bargain Mansions host. Artwork can be whimsical and amusing, or it can be elegant and peaceful. It could be scenery that transports you to your favorite location, or an abstract piece that makes you happy. An intriguing piece can also spark a lively discussion with your guests. Day enjoys wallpaper as well. It provides warmth and, depending on the design, can create a dramatic and startling moment for a soothing impression. It adds flair, drama, and texture while remaining gentle and beautiful. Number 9. Vintage rugs. Rugs can be used to delineate zones, add warmth, and soften hard flooring in the home. When combined with the striking color or pattern, they can act as wall art in a room. Choosing a rug is difficult, which is why we reveal all of our rug selection advice in this video. Don't overlook the floor when looking for another visual anchor point. Beautiful antique rugs from Morocco, India, and the Middle East have repeatedly served as sources of inspiration for me. A stunning vintage hand-woven wool rug is the best way to bring a place to live. We recommend looking at Southern loom or low-lie carpets. They will last a lifetime as a terrific investment as well as a lovely keepsake to pass down through generations if you maintain and care for them. Children prefer vintage objects when possible since they may resist heavy foot traffic and energetic play. Each vintage rug is unique and one of a kind. I strongly advise you to look on Etsy for good vintage finds. Number 8. Lighting. We frequently emphasize the importance of lighting and not relying just on ceiling lights to illuminate our houses. Table and floor lamps soften the light and decrease harsh shadows in our home, and they may also be used as decor. Consider spending on a magnificent light fixture, which Day describes as the perfect piece of jewelry to cap off your area. For a good atmosphere and a bit of glamour, a fixture demonstrates that you thought and designed every detail, and the lighting in your room establishes the tone, from bright and cheery to dark and somber. Number 7. Lampshades. When it comes to lighting, don't overlook the importance of lampshades. They're always a dead giveaway because their construction is usually shoddy and obviously when a light is switched on. I enjoy elevating simple lamps with a beautiful shade that feels elevated and complementary to the lamp itself. Pleated lampshades, which were prominent in Danish designs in the 1950s, are currently seeing a rebirth. They have a bit of a throwback feel to them today. Sloped lampshades are also making a big reappearance. The sloped style lampshade was a defining feature of 1980s interior design. Number 6. Window treatments. Nothing like bespoke window treatments for elevating a place, whether it's sheer drapery panels or valance or cornice, blackout drapes, Roman shades, or roller shades. Having perfectly sized window treatments not only creates a tailored look but also help block sun glare, keep light from entering sleeping quarters, and add value to a home, making them a plus when resale. If you don't want to make a large buy all at once, start with the main living space and bedrooms. These roller blinds from the Shade Store and Smith & Noble have a simple appearance. If you wish to add some cloth to your front, you can add drapiers. Number 5. Vases. Glass or ceramic, metal or concrete, there's no shortage of choices on vases on the market nowadays. Depending on the size and style of your vase, these can look fabulous and standalone item, such as an oversized vase filled with dried branches on a sideboard, or work into styled arrangement beautifully. Number 4. Sheets and towels. Splurge on a set of XL sheets to protect your mattress and improve your sleep. We adore the Land's End No Iron Supima sheets, Serena and Lily Soho sheets set, and Laura Ashley's cotton set. When it comes to everyday comfort, good towels are another requirement. It's critical to conduct research. You want a towel that softens with each wash, not one that becomes tougher. Use a monogram as an unexpected flash of color to add a design element. Our current favorites include Wheezy's starting bundle, which comes with a variety of pippin options and can be personalized with embroidery. Number 3. Sofas. A sofa can endure 7 to 15 years on average, although a well-made item can sometimes survive considerably longer. And as Capra points out, don't sleep, at least figuratively, on the sofa, as it often gets the most wear. Not only will the sofa be a place where you spend hours watching TV and hanging out with your family, but it will also last for many years if you choose the appropriate one. Number 2. Dressers. Dressers may not be considered a wise purchase by some, but they may be reused to meet a variety of requirements and settings. We recommend this selection from France & Son for storing apparel in a bedroom or flatware and other dining needs in the dining area. Even if you relocate, you'll most likely find a purpose for this adaptable storage piece in your new location, making it a buy you'll keep for decades. Number 1. Designer furniture. New or vintage? Vintage and designer furniture is high on many expert lists of home investments. Furniture with provenance is often appreciated over time. Consider well-known designers who developed iconic furnishings such as Florence Knoll, Mies van der Rohe, or Milo Bogman. These designs are timeless and may be used in almost any living space. When you see a piece of furniture that catches your eye and it's love at first sight, go for it. Knoll, First Dibs, Cherish, flea markets, and local estate sales and auctions are among Penfield's favorite places to find good pieces. Just make careful to have the pieces certified, as there are a lot of knockoffs out there, as Penfield points out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found 1 or 2 products here you could add to decorate your home. Like and share this video if you liked it, and in case you need more help with getting products like this for your home, then let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell so you don't miss out on amazing content like this from us. Thanks for watching. Until next time.